Hi, I'm CJ and this is my RC hobby. Just got in a box. Let's have a look and see what's inside. Looks like servos and some brown paper. Nope, just servos. Okay, what exactly do we have here? Servo accessories. And here we have some thin wing servos. These are the Corona DS 239MG. They have thin metal gears, and they are, let's see, ball bearing, digital with MOSFET drive, metal gear, 4 kilograms per centimeter of torque, 0.15 second speed, 2.2 ounces, and the all-important factor, 10 millimeters thick. These are going to be installed in the passer, which is a 1.8. It's kind of like a speedliner glider. It's a thermal glider, but it's also a V-tail, pretty fast, short wingspan, 1.8 meters. And so, as I normally do with these little guys, they are going to go into the passer box, because I'm not quite ready to start assembling. I think I got a few new items in since the last time I did a video for you. And as I've showed you in another video, when I buy a kit, or even before I've gotten the kit, I will start a box for it. And as I get things like motor, speed controller, props, extra wiring, these are the 2 servos that will run the 2 V-tails, receiver, battery, tester. And I found these the other day at my local hobby store, Horizon Hobby, and these are really nice ball link control horns. It's a plastic control horn with a metal ball link and metal clevises, and it looks like it's going to provide a very precise linkage, 2 for the V-tail and 2 for the spoilerons. And I should be starting that build very soon. And I will be making lots of videos on that. You've probably already seen the unboxing of the passer. It looks like it's going to be a really hot airplane. I'm looking forward to doing all the videos on the build, getting it out for its maiden flight, and showing you what it's capable of performing.